everybody, it's JJ. I am back to give you a fall Thanksgiving side dish that is absolutely amazing. Again with the JJ's Own Ginger Soy. Guys, JJ's Own Ginger Soy screams fall, screams comfort. It screams like Thanksgiving. So we are going to be making a Brussels sprout side dish that has pancetta, Honeycrisp apples, and this time we're going to be using a glazed walnut. So come in here now and look and see. Just video purposes, guys. I started to cook the pancetta. Put it in a pan, get it fried up. The fat breaks down and you get like a little bit of that grease fat. And then you are going to take your Brussels sprouts. Get your Brussels sprouts, cut them in half, put them in a bowl, and put the JJ's Own Ginger Soy, guys, right here. The JJ's Own Ginger Soy, raw. Put them in a bowl, toss them around, get them a little wet, and then put them on a baking sheet, 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes. You're going to get this brown crust on them. It's going to look just like that. The pancetta goes in, and then we are going to put our Brussels sprouts right in the bowl. I mean, this is an amazing Thanksgiving side. This is a fall side. And again, I tell you, with every layer, we're gonna add. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour a little bit of the JJ's Own Ginger Soy right onto there, guys. You hear that sizzle? All of that is incorporated. It like sucks that JJ's Own Ginger Soy right in there. Amazing. So while this is cooking, let me just tell you, you can visit jjsown.com and you can have your favorite, America's favorite dressing and marinade shipped to your door just in time for Thanksgiving. We do have 5 other flavors. I'm just cooking with the ginger soy because it reminds me of Thanksgiving. It reminds me of warm dishes. And there's a lot of side dishes I'm going to be coming out every day. We're going to be posting either a recipe or a side dish for you and your family to enjoy for Thanksgiving. Because, you know, JJ's Own has got to be on your table or a part of your family on Thanksgiving. So let's continue this recipe here. So we got the pancetta in and we got the Brussels sprouts. Then I am going to be taking a Honeycrisp apple and I am going to be throwing that apple in there as well. Crispy, crunchy, you're getting the sweetness. It's all going to tie together. And it's a beautiful dish. I mean, look at it. Look at the color on it. And again, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to layer. We're going to layer it up. A little bit more ginger soy in there. All those ingredients are going to suck up this flavor. And you're going to have an amazing bite. Okay, so last item in the pan. Just guys, come in here and take a look at this. Look how amazing that looks. Look how inviting. Look how warm. What an amazing dish to put on your Thanksgiving table. For everyone to say, wow, what is this? And then we can say it's JJ's Own, baby. All right, so look, these are walnuts. They are glazed candied walnuts. Here's the crunch. We're going to put the walnut right in. Amazing. Amazing. Guys, again, if this doesn't scream Thanksgiving, I don't know what does. Again, I'm going to finish it off with just a little drizzle. And we are going to toss this up. Look at this, guys. You got the pancetta, crunchy pancetta. You got the Brussels sprouts that have already been cooked in the JJ's Own. They are roasted. You got the sweetness of the apple. You got the crunch of the walnut. And the amazing flavors with JJ's Own. Maybe one day there'll be smell-o-vision. But for now, take my word. This is a great, great product. You and your family will definitely enjoy it. I hope it makes it to your table for Thanksgiving. So we're going to plate it up right now and we'll taste it. And then and we'll take it from there. You guys won't be able to taste this one, but hopefully I'll get a picture of the one that you guys do. So we're gonna plate it up. Very simple, very easy. I'm gonna take my plate and I'm gonna put it right like this. Guys, oh my God. Does that look amazing or what? Oh my, what an amazing plate. I mean, just look at that on your Thanksgiving table. And then if you wanted, you could take a little bit more of the glazed pecan and you could garnish it. You can garnish it with fresh apples or anything, or just like this. This is a great, if I went to somebody's house, I'm definitely digging in on this dish. So let's taste it. So we're gonna get an apple. We're gonna get everything right here. Guys, oh my God, the flavor's amazing. You get the punch of the ginger soy, you get the crunch of the nut, the sweet of the apple, you taste the Brussels sprout. Telling you guys, hands down, winner for dinner, 100%. I hope JJ's Own ends up on your table for Thanksgiving. Please visit us at jjsown.com and keep a lookout. I'm going to be posting and making some more recipes for Thanksgiving. I love you guys.